Right, so we've decided to get a new spade. I don't know where the other one is, but it's a bit bent.
It doesn't matter, does it?
So we've gone to Screwfix, got a deal on 24 quid, carbon spade and fork.
It's made by Spear & Jackson.
Yeah, so this is how it comes wrapped up.
24 quid.
Right.
And it's raining.
Okay, it's raining.
Lovely.
Garden's a mess because we're just rejigging it a bit. So well wrapped.
So if you're thinking about buying one of these, this is what you can expect to
The reason
get.
I went for it, you buy a lot of stuff from Screwfix, is the reviews were really good, trade reviews as well. We're digging, trying to get some hedging out.
It's well packed for what it is. I'll say that.
Spear & Jackson.
It's cable tied, so it doesn't come to bits when you're moving it around.
So you will need a pair of scissors
or a knife or something like that.
And don't just do what I've done. So they're at your feet. And I have to pick them up because we've got some jack bristles.
But it isn't made of wood. It's carbon fibre.
The handles.
Carbon, not carbon fibre.
That's basically what it's saying.
Yeah.
Looks like it's powder coated that to me. Might be wrong.
Oh, it's got things on the end of the thing so you don't hurt
Protectors.
yourself.
Well, we won't.
Stiff.
Get yourself an injury with that. Right,
They're on there
okay.
well.
Fairly thick spikes.
Fairly.
Yeah. Fairly well. It's welded.
It's got two
Sort of locking rivets.
Locking rivets.
You see it's been welded up there.
Yeah.
It's quite strong.
What about the handle on it? It's got a bit of like rubber here.
Yeah. Let's just have a look at that in a minute.
Yep.
Okay. Well, it sticks in well. Good sign, isn't it? So the spade is exactly the same design apart from it being a spade. Right. Obvious thing that I like about this straight away is that normally you get these and they're just pressed.
Yeah.
And hands pressed, but that's been welded on. You can see it.
Yeah, it has. It's got quite a lot of weld up that as well.
Yeah. So it's a good old weld, right?
It's a good thing for your feet. So.
Yeah. I normally have different shoes on, but they'll just come out quick. So take some edging out.
Let's do it.
Just curious how good it is.
Oh, it's pretty good.
Yeah, that's a good spade. Yeah, lovely that is.
Yeah, it's much better than what we had.
I mean, that's sort of cuts through. It's light, it's easy to use. It feels really strong. Handle's comfortable. Somebody's been sensible, made it nice and bright, so if you put it down you can see it.
Yeah, it's good.
A lot of these spades are black and that you're looking for them, they vanish. So good quality spade for the money, can't go wrong there. Let's just have another. You see how easy it cuts in.
Yeah, it's pretty decent that.
Yeah. So as spades go,
that's the spade. You know, what about a fork?
I've got to say, I'm not a great user of forks, but let's have a look.
Yeah, it goes in there quite well, doesn't it?
Easy to use. It does what it should do.
Yeah.
So for
24 quid.
24 quid.
And they do sell a shovel as well, which I'm probably also going to get. That's just the same price
Can't
as
really
the
go
shovel.
wrong, can you?
No.
Yeah. I hope it's some use to somebody.
Thanks for watching.
Over and out.